Outer space. Outer space, no doubt. Sign me up if we're going to Mars.
I think both are equally as scary. But I would have to say the ocean. You know, it's one of those frontiers that's right here on Earth that we still have a lot to learn about, and I'm curious to what lives down in those trenches. You never know.
Absolutely outer space. Probably that's a bit nerdy, but as a small kid I already dreamt to be an astronaut, so that's quite stereotypical maybe.
Depth of the ocean, because I'm a surfer. I like water.
In the space. Because then there is no limit. And I can look, can think, I can, with no limitation, at least that's the way I feel.
I'd say the ocean. I think it's insane that there's something right here on our own planet that there's so many parts of it we know nothing about, so I would want to explore there first.
I'd go to outer space. I'd like to see the vision of the creations from a distance, because I think they're much bigger than we ever imagined.
No, that's a pass too.
You have no preference?
No, neither, yeah, neither. I have claustrophobia, so neither appeals to me.
No, definitely to outer space, because there's light you can see. In the deep sea it would be dark.
I would rather go in the depth of the ocean because I'm afraid I would get sick in space.
I think I'd rather go into outer space. I think there's probably a lot of things there to be discovered yet that haven't been discovered, and it might be fun to be part of that. Maybe we could even get them patented or registered.
The depths of the ocean. Because I just think that, there's a lot of mysteries that are there. As far as, what you're using as a food source, how is that source living, with limited resources that are available? As we're living on Earth, our resources are dwindling. I think we could learn a lot.
Outer space. Yes, definitely outer space. Because in marketing, we tend to like to think about things from a very strategic perspective. And how much more strategic can you get from, from looking at the world from outer space?
Oh, I would go to the outer space, and the reason is I used to dive, not anymore, and I did once a real big mistake and had a deep dive of 50 meters, which is really, it's not the right thing to do. So I felt already, what will be the environment out there, but going up there would be something new, so I would go in the outer space.
I would go into the deep sea ocean. Yeah. Why? Because then I can think things over. And okay, you have not the overview, but sometimes you have to think.